Did you know that one man united the nomadic tribes of the Mongolian steppe and built an empire that covered more land than any other in history? That man was Genghis Khan. Born as Temujin in 1162, Genghis Khan faced numerous challenges, including family betrayal and tribal warfare. His rise began when he united the Mongolian tribes, forming a formidable force. By 1206, he was proclaimed Genghis Khan, meaning universal ruler. His conquests began with the Khwarezmian Empire, leading to the fall of cities like Samarkand and Bukhara. Key figures in his story include his generals, like Jebe and Kublai Khan, who played crucial roles in expanding the empire. Their strategies and loyalty were vital for his success. Genghis Khan's legacy is profound. He established trade routes that connected the East and West, fostering cultural exchange and innovation. His impact reshaped global history. Today, we see remnants of his influence in modern geopolitics and trade relations. Genghis Khan's story reminds us of the power of unity and ambition in shaping history.